Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a quick review of this tonneau cover here. It is the Gator Truck Bed Protection. You can find this on Amazon. The link will be down in the description down below for you guys to check out. Overall, it's just going to be a quick review of the tonneau cover and how I like it. It is tri-folding, but it is soft on the top, as you can see by the way that I'm hitting it. So overall, just I've had it for probably a month or two now, and so far it's been fantastic. I'll show you guys a little bit more about it and explain a little bit more about it and why. But you can see the weather stripping in there it's really good. It's not, you see it goes into the little hole there. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can't really see. Anyway, so it's pretty much sealed all the way. The only spot where it has a little bit of like a lift up is right here. I'm sure there's a way that you could fix that, but no water gets in or anything. I've driven it while it was downpouring, while it was raining, all that kind of stuff, and I've had no issues with it. The one thing that I have found is that when you're on the highway, since it is a soft top cover on the trifold, it is going to kind of get some wind under there, and it'll kind of flop around and make some noise, or not really noise. It's more of just a flop, like that, and you just see it in the rear view going up and down. Now the reason that I got this was so that I could keep my fishing stuff inside, like obviously my fishing poles are in there, but as well as my bag here. And my bag has been in here without me taking it out, and it has had no issues with getting wet or anything like that. I've checked it in the middle of rain and after rain and had no water in the bed, so it does its purpose, which is to keep it nice and dry in there. So to open it up, it has two little clips in here. Pull right here, see them? They're just two like little lift up clips. You have to set them. Super easy install, like 2 minutes to pop it in. So they pop that off. Same thing on the other side. Just gonna go ahead and pop that one off, and then it's gonna fold up this. You see the weather stripping, you could hear it. Like I said, it is tri-fold, so when you do this final fold, you're gonna want to make sure that the clips are fully set up in there, because you don't want it to rip a hole or anything. It is supposed to be like knife resistant and that kind of thing, so it should be fine. But you can flip it up again for a third time, and then this is what it looks like with the third fold lifted up. Comes with these nice little clips, and the clips on the front here, so you just clip this down, loosen it up a little bit, clip it down, and then tighten her up. I drove probably 2 hours home from IKEA with it like this, with a big countertop, like desktop that I bought, hanging out the back, and it held up just fine on the highway, going probably like 80 or 90, definitely above the speed limit, but that's fine. So this is what it looks like when it's completely up. It looks pretty good, and like I said, it does its job. And for the mere price of I think it's about $200, you really can't go wrong. I believe they have it for all different models of trucks, not just the Chevy here. But like I said, it does do its purpose, and it's kind of budget friendly. You don't have to go out and spend $700 for one to get that. The one issue that I did have, let me hop up here. The one issue that I did have with it was when I first got it, this bar that went across here was not connected on this side. So there's like a little plastic piece that comes out to about here. Remember, I did order this off Amazon, so I could have just returned it, but there's a little plastic piece or metal piece that goes to about here, and this was not on it where it was on the other side. So I had to take this whole side apart, take both the sliders out, slide it, and then reconnect it. So that was kind of an issue that I did have. But overall, since I've had it, there haven't really been any other issues besides that. Like I said, I went like 2 hours to IKEA and drove back with it like this. Perfectly fine, no issues. So I would definitely recommend it. It's super easy to use, super easy to pop on. Obviously I clipped it, so now I can't fix it and put it down. Obviously it does lock because it doesn't, it's knife resistant. Obviously if someone did want to cut it, then they could. Maybe in the future I'll do a review once I get it, if I ever get a good one, that will show if it's actually knife resistant. So like I said, you got these little clips here, the little pull down tabs, so you just pop them in and then just pull down to lock it. Same thing on this side, do the same thing here, you just grab it, slide it under, and then pull it to lock it, and then you see, let's let it focus there and adjust. See, it's there, and then you can shake it, and it's not going anywhere. No one's gonna be able to rip it off. Especially like I said, once this tailgate's up, slap the tailgate up, and I'll give kind of a farther away view of it, so you can kind of see it's pretty sleek for being a quick tri-fold, like roll-up one, or not a roll-up one, just a quick tri-fold, like slide on, pop on, tri-fold tonneau cover. Overall, I definitely would recommend this to you guys if you guys have a Chevy truck or any truck in general and you want to keep your fishing gear in the bed at all times. Go ahead and grab this. You're gonna be all set, and you're gonna be cooking with this one. Like I said, it's very budget friendly. It was probably like $200. I'll put the link in the description. Like I said, go ahead and check it out. I'll also try and find one to put for a Ford model. Like I said, it's Gator brand, but there's a couple other brands that are very similar that also have the same thing. So if you did enjoy this video, or you got any information out of it, make sure you click that like button down below. It really does help support the channel, and it really does help me know if I did a good job and that I gave you some useful information on this tonneau cover here. Of course, subscribe to stay up to date with future content. Peace.